this practical is on calculating sum of the digits in a number. So let us start with a practical. The very first thing what we need is to take the number from the user. So %, as we know that whenever we are using prompt, the number that we get is in string. So even if it is a number, it is returned as a string. So we don't want the string, we want to convert it into a number. So prompt, enter the number. That's it. Now we have our number and we will go ahead. So as I had said, for factorial code, if you want to calculate sum, you should do the initialization to 0, because 0 plus something is that number itself. So we are retaining the number. And if you want to do the multiplication, the variable should be initialized to 1, because 1 into something is the same number. We are overall looking for retaining the original number in the beginning. So I am using while loop over here. So this is the classic example of while loop. Now the condition is very simple. Till my number is greater than 0, I'll continue this while loop. Now inside the while loop, we have the task of removing one digit from the number. So we are going to use a magical number 10 over here, because if we do modulus of any number by 10, we get the remainder. So we are able to extract a particular digit. So D is equal to num modulus 10. So this will give us the last digit in the number. So for example, my number is 546 and I do modulus 10. What I'll get is, I'll get 6. Now I want to go ahead. I want the rest of the number. So num divided by 10. So when I do this, you will get the answer in decimal point. We don't want the decimal point. We want only the integer. So if we want the only integer part, what is the method that we use? Parse int. So that's the reason we write parse int. So what happens is we get rest of the number except the last digit. Except last digit. So for example, if I write 546 divided by 10 and I consider only the integer part of it, my answer will be 54. That is exactly that we want. And then sum is equal to sum plus D. And obviously outside the loop, I'll print the sum. So document.write sum of digits is sum. That's it. My program is ready. Let us save it as HTML file. Sum of digits .html. Let us check whether the code runs or no. I'm entering the number 546. Sum of digit is 15. We know that 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Thank you.